Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a single arm row on a bench. When we do these, we want to have our flat bench, our knee is going to be on the bench, that same side hand is going to be on the bench, and we're going to be pushing our bodies away from the bench. So I actually really like these when I'm using a heavier weight because I can push myself away. When we do this, I want you to start with your dumbbell just hanging straight down and actually let your shoulder come forward. So this is going to give us even greater range of motion. We're going to bring this dumbbell back to our low ribs, towards our hip, and then bring it back all the way forward. Keep your shoulders down and back so that way your trap isn't up in your ear. Once you've done all of your reps on one side, we'll switch to the other side, just making sure that our back is in extension. So I'm not rounding, I'm pushing the earth away with my hand that's on the bench, and then just pull to the hip / low ribs. And the more you can think about using your pinky and the outside of that hand, the more lat engagement you're going to get. So if you want to really engage your lats, you think about pushing down and then pulling back, right? So I'm pushing down as I come back using the outside of that hand, and that's going to help me get more lat engagement. So for a stronger back, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.